What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. We are back at Copart for another Copart walk around. Let's jump into this video today and see what we find. We're going to do a little bit of walking in this video because they came by and told me that they're about to throw me out. I've been here for 4.5 hours and they're closing very soon, so I don't have long to check things out. So the goal in this video is just walk around, see if we can find anything worth looking at, and if we do, well, let's check it out. And if you see something that I missed, drop a comment below and say, hey, I wanted to see that car sitting, oh, nope, at such and such time in the video. And if it's still here, I'd be happy to come back and give it a look-see for you. Oh, hold up. I know this is not on the way, but I saw an excursion back here, and oh, I really love these. Oh, it looks like an Eddie Bauer, maybe? I don't know. Wow. Oh, it's wrecked pretty good in the front, isn't it? How bad is it? How bad is it? Oh, I can't even fit through here. They got these cars parked so tight together. Honestly, it doesn't look that bad. That doesn't look that bad. He needs a front clip. Well, the door's got some damage too, though. Yeah. I mean, the fender apron looks all right. To me, I don't see any real damage. Looks like the headlight pockets are okay. The frame rails, those are what you got to be most concerned with. They look good. Even the air conditioner condenser looks to be intact and in good shape. Transmission cooler, I assume, or an oil cooler or power steering cooler looks to be in good shape as well. Same thing down here. Frame rail looks good. Nice tires, nice wheels. Huh. I wonder why they just abandoned it. This thing looks nice. And it even has a block heater, which makes me wonder if this is gas or diesel. Almost makes me think this might be a diesel, guys. Because how often do you see a gasoline engine with a block heater in it? Yeah, I'll bet you money she's a diesel. Hood looks to be in good shape. Rest of the body appears to... come on. Looks to be in pretty good shape. Let's come around the back one more time. Oh yeah, she's a diesel. There you go. It's got that fat exhaust tip on it. No kidding. These things can go for some real money, guys. Seriously. Oh, they included all the parts? What? There's even new parts in here, I think. Yeah, there's some new parts in here for this. There's the bumper. There's the lights. The grill, which that grill looks broken. That's definitely broken. But there are the fenders. Okay. No joke. There's your header panel. It looks like it might be okay. It still has the headlights in it. It's a shame they threw all the parts in here, though, because I guarantee you some of the leather in here is going to be torn up. Well, I guess some of the leather is already torn up anyway. Oh, let's climb in. Looks like somebody put a programmer in this. Yep. And does it have keys? It does. I know it's dead. I know it's dead. I don't know if I want to waste my booster pack. Yeah, she's dead as a doornail, man. What to do? I wasn't looking for this. Like, I saw it off in the distance and I was like, man, a diesel excursion. These are, yeah, these are definitely worth some money. Come on. Upsie daisy. Oh, that looks like such a pain to work on, doesn't it? I mean, I don't know about you, but for me, I look under the hood of this thing and it's like, good Lord, man. No, I don't want to. I don't know, guys. You comment below and tell me what you think. I don't think I'm going to waste my booster pack's energy trying to start this because honestly, it's probably going to go for way more than I want to pay for it anyway. So let me try not to fall. These are insanely large rocks, guys, and super easy to lose your balance out here. I have fallen multiple times in this yard. You gotta walk carefully. Let's continue up the way we were going, and we'll try to stay on track this time and see if oh, wow. Jeez, the engine is like inside the vehicle. Man, I really hate seeing stuff like that. I do. It's, yeah. Well, and here we are. It's 4:30, pushing 5 o'clock. By the time I get out of here, it's going to be 5 o'clock, and I get to drive home in this rush hour traffic. And don't think for a minute that Oklahoma doesn't have rush hour traffic. Believe me, Oklahoma has some nasty rush hour traffic. All right, I'm gonna go on a detour because I see an old Ford truck over here that I really want to check out. How bad is it? This actually doesn't look too bad. What's wrong with it? It needs paint. It's an F-150 XLT. Oh wow, that's those headlights are definitely aftermarkets. Wow, that's some ingenuity right there. You've got wood, deck screws, metal, sheet metal screws, and some crappy headlights. Huh. Well, that's something. Then you got these wheels and tires, gear wheels and tires down here. Those look all right. Is this a pedal? It is. I figured it would be. A 93 F-150 in green. This would fit right in with my 80s and 90s vehicles, wouldn't it? Unless it's wrecked on the other side. This thing's a little rough though, guys. Oh wow, yeah. She's a little rough. You know, I don't know what happened there. Just looks like someone deleted on parts of the body with some rust. Someone got mad and hit it with a hammer. It looked good from a distance. This is why I need to stay on track. I need to stay on track because I just walked all the way over here and this I don't think was worth. Oh wow. Oh, it smells so bad. Oh wow. Yeah. That is it's unnatural. It's unholy is what it is. Okay. Oh my God. Wow. The smell in this is absolutely, it's out of this world. Where's the hood release? I'm only curious about what's going on under here because I can always use an extra engine, right? Extra engine, transmission. It doesn't hurt anybody. You got a 5.0 liter EFI. If I'm not mistaken, the truck engine is very similar, if not exactly the same as the engines in the Fox body. I think, I could be wrong, but I think it's the same engine. It's just got a different intake setup on it. Obviously, the EGR is set up differently on it as well, but if I had my way, I'd just be deleting on all that stuff anyway. So, yeah, I mean, it just never really hurts to have a spare 5.0 engine. The belt routing looks identical. I mean, really, everything looks the same other than the intake manifold. So, yeah, I'm going to put this on my watch list just because I would be interested in the engine. I'm not even going to try to start it. It's got a brand new battery. Well, maybe it wouldn't hurt just to put the key in. I don't want to get in this thing. If we're being completely honest, guys, I don't want to, oh boy, she's got a, that oil's kind of, ugh. Yeah, that doesn't look great, does it? We'll put the key in and we'll see what it does. I don't want to get in this thing. I can't explain to you how disgusting this truck smells. I wouldn't try to save this one. I just want to pull the motor. I don't even care about the transmission. Oh, wow. God, it's so bad. So bad. I'll be... $256,000 miles. Huh. Okay, all right, you know what? Yeah, that doesn't sound good. That doesn't sound good at all. Oh, wow. Smells straight exhaust under here. I guarantee you somebody probably chopped the cats off of it. You know, maybe I don't want this engine at all, honestly. It's got a ton of miles and it sure didn't sound very good, guys. So we're gonna pass on this one. Now here's something you just don't see very often. At least I don't see these out here very often. It's a Chevy Volt a 2012, so it's a little older, and it's a pedal car, which means it's basically just like that pickup truck that we just looked at. It's a car that, for whatever reason, someone just decided they wanted to get rid of it. That could mean that they just didn't want to deal with selling to the public. It's a hassle. They didn't want to bother with trading it in. Well, it could also mean that it's completely broken. You know, I'd say it's about 50-50 with pedal cars, man. You know, 50% of the time, you get a great deal on something, and you don't really know why somebody abandoned it, but they did. And 50% of the time, well, it needs a lot of work. I've seen these a few times. We've looked at them only a few times ever. Ooh, on the channel. It's not as bad as a truck. Boy, that's pretty foul as well. Yeah, I don't know. I've always wanted one of these. I have. I don't know what kind of fuel economy they get either. I have no idea if they're even worth buying. Oh. Okay. Are these... I just don't know enough about the Chevy Volt. I'm assuming it's a hybrid, which means it's still got a gas engine under the hood. It still takes fuel, but it almost looks like we have a plug-in. Huh. So it's a plug-in hybrid is my guess, right? You plug it in, you've got a little bit of battery, probably not much. Oh boy, that looks fun to work on. Huh. Okay, well, let's put the hood up real quick. They're gonna lock the doors on me is what's gonna happen. So I see a great spot for a ground. Just one little problem. Where is the jump point for the positive? I mean, if you've got a ground jump point there's got to be somewhere under the hood for jumping the battery, right? Could it be under this? See, I don't have time for this today, and that really sucks because I want to look at this car. Hold on, what is this? Is this, aha! Those are breakers. That's a ground. That means we can jump start it. We're gonna figure this out. It is 4:41. Yeah, they've probably already locked the gates, and the doors will be right behind. Come on. Okay. Is it running? I'm guessing no. There we go. 170,000 miles. No joke. Wow. Total range 166 miles. I have no idea what I'm looking at here, guys. It shows gasoline to be 166 miles. Battery 0. How much you want to bet there is no battery left? The battery's probably no good on this. I'd love to know how to open the battery door. There's lots of buttons, but I don't... Okay. So let's turn this on. And how do you even turn on the air conditioning? There it is. Air conditioning. Nope, it's not. I'm pushing the gas. The engine isn't coming on. Okay. Nope. So it's upset that the hood is open. And now the battery, yeah, service battery charging system. Nah, she's not gonna do anything. I mean, it's mad that the hood is open. Could it be that the hood is open and it's not going to, that turns it off. Yeah, I don't know, guys. I don't know what any of this stuff does. Energy, what else we got? Climate control, configuration, energy, okay. I mean, cool graphics and everything, I'm telling you, the battery pack is probably completely, it's completely done. Energy info, nothing. It's got nothing. Yeah, so again, you hit the throttle, you would expect like a Prius it would start up, but it does nothing at all. Nope. Air conditioning doesn't come on. Looks like the average lifetime fuel economy is 36 miles a gallon. That's honestly not very impressive. Battery saver active. See? Yeah. I'm gonna go out on a limb and say this one doesn't run, guys. My question is though, no, I'm wondering if it has the plugs and everything. No, they kept them. Dang it. Yeah, I was hoping... Ow! Stickers! Ah! There are stickers in this. There's another battery, or that's... No, this is the starting battery right here. So, maybe it's dead. Either way, I don't see any cables in here for charging this. And I don't know how you open the charge port. Do you just push it? No. Alright, well, we tried. Obviously, we were not successful on this one. You guys can comment below. I'm sure several of you know more about the Chevy Volt than I do. I know absolutely zip, zilch, zero, nothing about this car. But if I did something wrong and there's another way to start it, let me know. Or maybe, I don't know, could it be because there's like no voltage in the battery that it won't run? I would still think it could run off of the gasoline engine even if the battery was fully depleted. With that, ladies and gentlemen, I gotta get out of here. Short video, but they're literally locking the gates and closing the door, so I have to leave now. It's 10 minutes to closing time. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the thumbs up button and let me know. Drop your comments below and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already subscribed. Until next time, stay safe out there, everybody. I look forward to seeing you all again very soon in the next one.